Hey guys, it's me and I just got off work. It is Friday, December 21st, and it's the weekend or the Friday before Christmas. It's only 4 more days before Christmas. Anyways, yeah, I just got off work. It's 3:15. I'm about to go do my client's hair. It's super quick because she doesn't have that much hair and it's natural. I mean, I'm saying it's natural and it's not that much, but it's like this car's like trying to scoot up so they can see what I'm doing. That's so annoying. But anyways, I'm going to do her hair, and then I gotta do some Christmas shopping a little bit, and I have to go to the bank. So I'm going to the bank to get cash out because I'm giving a lot of people cash because that's just easier. And then I gotta go to Target and Kohl's. And I think that's it. So I ordered my Secret Santa gift for my family. We always do Secret Santa as well as exchange gifts. Like, we just think it's fun or it's White Elephant, not Secret Santa. White Elephant, you know, like where you pick a number and then you gotta pick a gift and somebody can steal your gift, So we always do that just because it's just something fun. But we do that, and yeah. So I ordered it on Amazon Prime and it says it will make it on December 24th. So I'm praying that it gets here. Okay, but anyways, let me drive, and I'll talk to you guys after the client and when I get to one of the places I gotta go. Hey guys, so I made it into Target, and you know when you're supposed to be shopping for other people but you end up shopping for yourself. I look rough, like rough. So I got this leather jacket from the Wild Fable line. Yeah. Y'all look rough. I just been up since 5 o'clock this morning, working and slaving, you know. So that's what's happening. Oh, look at these fake Balenciaga shoes. Okay, Target got the Balencies. Got the Balencies on deck for only $30. Oh, these are cute. Aren't these cute? I kind of need these. I wonder, should I get these? These are only $30 too. Oh. Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. If I can get my feet in them. Oh, I can already tell these are gonna hurt for sure. Don't judge my toenails, y'all. But these are super cute. I don't know. Okay, I probably should have got a cart up in here because I didn't think I was going to be shopping. Well, I mean, I don't know what I thought. Y'all, I think I kind of want these, but I want a box. I hate not having a box. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. So originally I came in here to try to find some stuff for my godson, and why do they always have so many freaking cute girl clothes but they never have like cute guy clothes, like boy clothes, guy clothes? Like, it's tons of girl clothes, like tons, but then the little boy section is like itty bitty. That's freaking annoying. That's so annoying. So I guess I'm not getting anything out of here. I guess I'll go to Kohl's, because Kohl's be having some cute stuff, and they be having like designer, like Nike and stuff. for a pretty good price, so I guess I'll just go there. Okay guys, I'm out of Target and I'm about to, I have to use the bathroom so bad, like, and I have to go number one, not number two. I just have to pee so bad. Like, I didn't pee all day at work and I just have to pee. I should have peed before I left my client's house. I have a thing about public restrooms, like, I just can't. So I'm not even gonna be able to do all the things I need to do unless I come back out, because the way I have to pee right now, I need to get home, but I'm gonna stop by the bank first because tomorrow I know I won't make it before I get off, like when I get off work, because the bank's closed early on Saturdays. Y'all, the struggle is real and I'm just barely making it to the bank. And this children's toy that I have, 2 of these children's toys just keep blowing off. Like, how the freak do you turn these off? Like, oh my god. I have to pee, y'all. I gotta pee. And I really hope the bank, oh, and I stood in the line at Starbucks and Target for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes just to get 2 gift cards. So annoying. Like, why do they have one person working? Dude, what are you doing? Why do they have one person working at the Starbucks? Like, she taking the orders and she making the drinks. Like, yeah, I know it's in the Target, it's a small location, but you know, it's the weekend before Christmas. Everybody gonna be out. Like, everybody, literally. Everybody gonna want them some coffee. So that was annoying, but yeah. Anyways, I'm pulling up to the bank now, but I live like 15 minutes from here. We'll see what happens, but I know it's traffic, so it'll take me longer.
Some cheese. Okay, yeah, you take that one.
Hey guys, so I just made it home. Well, I like hurried up, gathered all of the million bags I had, and like jetted up here to the bathroom. I feel so relieved. Like, I drank so much water. I drank a good amount of water, and then to not have used the bathroom all day is crazy. I tend to do that because I hate public restrooms. But anyways, mama always say, girl, you gonna be wearing Depends when you get older. I'm like, I probably will, because I literally hold my urine so much. But anyway, so I'm home. I haven't ate anything today but some cashews, 2 hard-boiled eggs, and half of an avocado. So I think this happened even before I talked to you guys last. I got me a salad. I got another salad from Zaxby's. This time I got the grilled Cobb salad instead of the black and blue. And then of course I took the fried onions off. But this is what it's looking like. Of course, I'm not eating the bread. I wish I was eating the bread, but I'm not eating the bread. And I got blue cheese dressing. I will use 1 pack of dressing. So yeah, and I got stuff. But yeah guys, so that's all for now. This video will probably be super short because I haven't done anything and I'm not doing anything else. Hey guys, so I just finished eating my salad, which was really good. But since I always watch YouTube while I'm eating, so while I was eating I decided to watch the Royal Family, which is Clarence and Queen, the video titled Giving My Boyfriend the Most Amazing Birthday. And it just made me think about something that I wanted to talk to you guys about a long time ago, about why is Clarence controlling Queen. So this has been going around so much that Clarence is controlling Queen. Oh, Clarence controls Queen. You can tell. Well, let me see what the video was titled, where everybody got this from. It's called Do We Argue the Truth? And in that video, everyone just got the impression that Clarence was just controlling Queen, and Queen was just so sad looking in that video, and she was just looking down, and she just Now, I'm not the biggest, I mean, I like Clarence and Queen. Like, I really had like a crush on Clarence before he became so big. But now it's a no for me, dog. If you watch my YouTuber Smasher Pass, I said that I was definitely smashing him, and now I'm definitely passing him. Which, I mean, I'm pretty sure he would pass me too, but I'm just saying, I don't have a crush. I'm saying this to say that for me to take up for them means something, because I'm not like a huge fan of theirs. Like, I like Queen's music, but I'm not up there arsk like some people are. But they were saying that Clarence was controlling Queen because like she was like picking at her nails like this, and then Clarence told her to stop picking at her nail, and then she was trying to eat some ice and Clarence told her to stop eating ice, and then the way he was looking at her at certain things and da 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 da, and then Queen was looking down and she just was looking unsure and this, that, and third. Y'all, I don't see it as controlling, honestly. I just see him being the head of the household, honestly. Like, some people need that. Like, I feel like Queen needs someone to just keep her together, you know? Like, I feel like Queen, like they said themselves, Queen is like the goofy, silly, like innocent girl, like she don't know no better, and then Clarence is the one, oh, I've been through this, I've been through that, so I'm pretty straightforward, I'm stern, I don't make friends in a day type of person, like that. So I just think they balance each other out. Like, Queen brings stuff out of Clarence that Clarence wouldn't normally do, and then Clarence like balances Queen. Stop. Stop. So I don't feel like Clarence is controlling Queen. I honestly think he's been the head of the household. I feel like he is what she needs to mature a little bit more. Not saying that she's immature, but she is a little, she's like a little girl. She's younger. She's young. I mean, I don't know, because I don't want people to be jumping on me. I don't want people to be in their feelings. I just feel like Clarence is not controlling Queen. I think he is taking charge, because that's what a lot of men do in relationships. Like, they take charge. I mean, in a Christian household, in the Bible, the man is, he is the head of the household. So I feel like that's what he's being, like how he was talking about CJ sometimes don't know how to act. Basically, that's what he was saying, and he be trying to tell Queen what to do with him and da 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 da. I don't see that as being controlling. I see that as him trying to help her better herself as well as CJ, because CJ is bad. Like, you can tell that he is bad. So I don't know. And then like for her looking sad, or she was looking a little bit down or a little bit weird, or she just wasn't seeming like she was all the way there, but you have to remember, this girl is whole pregnant. Like, she is like, I don't even know how many months pregnant she is, but she is pregnant. Like, she has hormones all over the place, emotions everywhere. She's on tour being pregnant, let alone, like, that's something to just applaud her on, is her being on tour and she's so pregnant. Like, she is pregnant and she's on tour. So first off, pregnancy brings tons of emotions and feelings and tiredness and da da da, and then to put being on tour on top of that, so she's tired, triple the tiredness because she's on tour and she's pregnant. Emotions running even higher, because I heard, like, I saw her sometimes she feel like she can't sing because she's so out of breath, because I mean, she's whole pregnant, of course she's out of breath. So I mean, she has a reason to be down. Like, her emotions are everywhere. Like, I don't feel like it was nothing to do with Clarence or anything to do with her being controlled, and people are saying like, oh, she's in a cult, Clarence's family is turning her against her own family and this, that, and the third. And I'm just like, Lord. Honestly, I feel like, I don't know, y'all. but I don't feel like it's controlling. I don't feel like Queen was sad in that video about anything dealing with Clarence. I feel like it's the pregnancy hormones. It's her being on tour while she's pregnant. It's her being overworked while she's pregnant. It's all of that. And then now she has CJ on tour with her, so I feel like that's even more for her to deal with. Now she's pregnant, on tour, and has a toddler son with her. So I mean, that's a lot for anyone to take in. So y'all, you guys tell me what you think down below. Honestly, you guys let me know what you feel. If you watch that video, if you watch them, like either Clarence's or Queen's channel or their joint channel, just tell me what you feel. I don't know, but I don't think it's been controlling. I think that Clarence is good for Queen, because I feel like they just even each other out, you know. That's my opinion. That's my thoughts. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it is kind of boring or short. I keep saying that in every vlog, but that's just the truth. And yeah, that's all for today. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And also, tell your friend, tell your mom, tell your sister, tell your cousin, tell your daddy about my videos so I can get some more views, girl. And they can be a part of the Bella Squad. But anyways, thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Just got out the nail salon. These are my nails. I tried to do something a little Christmas-ish. They didn't have the red color that I wanted originally, so I got this darker one. It's cute, but I would have preferred the lighter, like the other one. It is like sparkly. My camera never focuses. But yeah, these are my nails. I got a full set. I usually get them shorter than this, but I just decided to go a little longer too.